Your home is the center of your daily life and likely your most valuable asset. When your home is damaged or destroyed, you need your claim settled by an insurance company that understands. Here's a simple fact: USA Insurance can help you find the Alamogordo home insurance that will best meet your needs and provide the most valuable combination of tailored coverage, quality service, and fair pricing. Deve- Depending on where you like, a house, apartment, or condominium, the right home insurance policy can provide you peace of mind as well as the money you need to repair to replace your home and or belongings. Alam- Alamogordo Home Insurance, whether you own recent insuring the place you call home can help protect you financially if you suffer a loss due to fire, theft, vandalism, or other covered events. It will also cover you in the event someone is injured while on your property and wins a legal judgment against you. Ho- Homeowner insurance policies differ by which losses are covered, which cover you choose, and what type of residence you own. You choose which policy is better of you, whether it's comprehensive policy that cover losses such as a fire, hail, smoke, failing object, vandalism, and theft of personal property, or whether it's policy that covers only specified losses, whether your home to condo owner to rent or a landlord. We will work with you find Alamogordo home insurance policy that fits your needs. We specialize in making it easy to choose the insurance coverage that gives you the best value for the best price. Your home insurance policy is most often made up of specified options. You choose how much you will pay for your policy depends on option you select. Often home owner insurance options are priced individually, so how much you will pay for your policy depends on what cover you buy, how much you want to cover. Higher that deductibles usually lower your premium price by shifting part of the loss payment to you. Example, if you had $500 deductible, you would be responsible for paying the first $500